everyone, Celia Lice Lady here. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So today we're gonna dive into the 5 top home remedies that we're hearing of people using. Number 1, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, first of all, it smells horrible. Number 2, it doesn't work. We've already done a couple debunking myths on some of these products. We've shown that mayonnaise hasn't worked. We kept the bugs in mayonnaise for a little over 10 minutes to see if they would actually survive the mayonnaise. They survived. Mayonnaise does not suffocate head lice. In fact, there have been some studies reported that the mayonnaise spoils over time and can cause and has caused cases of food poisoning in kids. This is not a product that I would recommend putting on your kids' heads because of that specific fact in itself. We also know that the eggs are too thick and their shells are too hard to penetrate. The mayonnaise will not actually kill those eggs. The eggs still have to be combed out of the head, off of the hair shafts, in order for you to have complete success. Mayonnaise is not something that I would recommend. Number 2, tea tree. We also tried tea tree in our clinic to see if tea tree oil would actually kill head lice. We put 5 lice in a petri dish to see if this would actually work. It did kill 1 out of the 5. Not great odds. Still not a product I would recommend. We do also know that the tea tree oil is not going to kill those eggs. You still have to manually go through, comb out every single egg, make sure that there's no eggs left or else they're going to hatch. You're gonna have the same problem on your hands. We also have some recent studies to show some side effects of tea tree oil. Anything from mild rashes all the way to blistering and hormone changes in boys that you don't want your boys to have. So let's make sure that if we do use tea tree oil, you use it mildly, you know what you're doing, and that you do your research. Just because something says it's natural doesn't mean that it should not be used in moderation. Number 3, apple cider vinegar. Again, something that we tried. These are all things that we're seeing in our clinic. People are using. You guys, people are coming into our clinic using these products. Obviously, they're not working because they end up in here with head lice still. This is hands down, I think, one of the worst products. It absolutely smells horrible. I wouldn't put it on my kids' heads for that sheer fact alone. It was disgusting, smelled horrible. All the lice still survived. The eggs, doesn't penetrate them. Again, you still have to go through, manually comb everything out. It does not work. Don't use it. I know that people say that the vinegar helps to loosen the eggs, that they comb off easier. It doesn't. It does not do anything. Number 4 is olive oil. Olive oil. They swam. We tested this as well. They just swam around in the petri dish the whole entire time. Olive oil is super, super thick. I don't even know how they swam around in the olive oil, but they just kept swimming and swimming. Again, people use olive oil all the time. They end up back in our clinic. Doesn't kill the eggs. You have to go through and manually comb everything out. Olive oil doesn't have a super bad smell to it. It just is super, super greasy. So I think the biggest problem with olive oil, it's not gonna kill the bugs, it's not gonna kill the eggs, but it's really, really difficult to wash out, just like that mayonnaise. So it's not a great product. In the end, it doesn't kill anything. Number 5, Vaseline. This one is a beast. It doesn't kill the bugs. It doesn't kill the eggs. And we have had people that have come in here and use this. It is by far the worst product that we've had with people having to wash it out. People have had to use peanut butter to wash out the Vaseline. So now you have Vaseline and you have peanut butter, and Vaseline's not killing and peanut butter's not killing. Honestly guys, these products might work to an extent, but they're still gonna require some combing out. Try at your own risk. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like, and have a happy and lice-free day.